Hi everyone. So let's continue where we left off. So the problem states the following: proves that every integer bigger than 1 can be written in the form of primes raised to some power, with pi being distinct positive primes. Distinct positive primes, and every Ri being strictly bigger than 0. So we'll use the corollary that we proved earlier, corollary 1.9. So let's state it for the sake of completeness. So it states the following: every integer n greater than 1 can be written in 1 and only one way, in the form n is equal to p1, p2 up to pr, where the pi are positive primes, such that p1 is less than p2, less than or equal to, all the way less than pr. So what this tells you is that for corollary 1.9, every integer greater than 1 can be written in a unique way as increasing primes. And you know that it is every integer has a finite set of factors. So that means that the lengths end at some point. So what you can do here is that you can use the previous. So the way I like to think about things, I like to pack things into certain boxes, and I can use them as problem-solving tools, and even get particular packets of what I call topological feature that I can use to move. So let's say, so what do I mean by topological feature? So what I usually do is that when I'm thinking about something or reasoning through something, such as any material, I like to extract the core elements. It could be a little bit vague, because I could move between ideas very quickly. So then those things provides provides a set of tools that I could aid me in any kind of problem solving. And since the shape of the box is irrelevant, so to speak, it allows me to put this shape in any kind of things that I might encounter in real life or intellectually speaking. So going back to the thing is that it's good to always use boxes. I would rather develop certain theorems, certain corollary, etc., and use those things to prove the statement in front of you, because then you can package everything out like that. into boxes that is easier to understand and generalize and pack it out. So yeah, that's why I really like mathematics. But yeah, anyways, so use this corollary here to factor n into, so by using corollary 1.9, we can collect the distinct primes into a singular product. So by doing that, we get primes raised to some power, some positive powers. You get primes raised to some positive power. So we get the statement, we get the following statement. P1 R1, P2 R2, P T RT, where those primes are distinct, and by the previous result we get that P1 is less than P2, and we get a strictly less than inequality of increasing primes making the number. And so we've proved our result. So yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.